the Union Pacific Railroad Swing Bridge, built in 1966. And it's a swing through truss. Now with fixed truss and a swing truss span. This bridge once had another fixed truss span, and I'm gonna show you in a minute. Oh, and Union Pacific Railroad, Lafayette subdivision, through truss swing bridge, over the Calcasieu River, located in Lake Charles, Louisiana. I'm gonna show you something. Now this is the same bridge. Now you got one added on the other side. Now it used to be Southern Pacific, and now it also was used by Louisiana and Arkansas Railroad. And so they had removed one of the truss band, and then now I'm gonna show you. Where's that now? I'm gonna show you. Now instead of two approach truss bands, you only got one, because one of them was removed. So, see, look at the detail of this bridge. Yeah, you see? Now this bridge is located in Lake Charles, Louisiana, and is still in service for railroad traffic.